Today I will show you how to remove and apply destination filters in your admin console. In your admin console, navigate to Code List section and select Destination Filters from the drop-down menu. Open the Destination Filters panel to start customizing your search criteria. Once you have accessed this section, you have a few options for filtering. From drop-down menu, you can select destination type. Enter your destination name to filter results, for example, Prague. Enter your destination code, such as PRG, to filter destination. Apply the filter to update the results and view destinations matching your criteria. Once you find your filtered destination in the list, click Filter to remove the destination. The best part is, you can go straight to your front end and check it out. Enter your destination airport code, such as PRG. Click the Search Flights button to retrieve available flight options. As you can see, PRG is no longer available in the search. To remove the filter, return to your admin console. Simply click Remove Filter to view all available destinations again. The system will confirm that the change has been made, and you'll see that the destination is now uncovered.